Hey, what's up guys, this is Jeff Carbuoy again here. So I have this headlight assembly for Nissan Murano, and this tab was broken when I took it out, and it was broken right here. So I went to Amazon and found this amazing kit that I want to attach a link on the description. It comes with so many items here, and this is a kit to use when you need to weld on plastic. It comes with a welding gun right here, and there's so many supply for very little amount of money. Make sure you check a link on the description of this video. I'll attach a link that way you can see yourself. So how this work, you attach one of these pins right here. You push it all the way, and then we're gonna connect this to the power. And then there is a button right here, and we're gonna place and hold. When you're placing, now this is getting hot. You have to be ready. As you can see, it's turning color. And now I'm gonna place it down right here and push it all the way, and then release the button and gently remove the gun. And now that pin went between, part of it is on the headlight assembly, and the part of it is on this tab. Pulling it together like this. And once it's dry, it comes with a dike. This also was part of the kit. So you will use it to cut excess of these pins. Make sure when you're doing this, you're wearing safety glasses, because these pins, when you cut it, it's jumping all over. So if I want, I can add more weld on this side. I may be using some of this, but it looks like my tab is steady. I'll probably put one more pin there. And that's how you weld using the plastic welding gun like this. Make sure you check that link on the description. Stay tuned. This is Jeff.